We cooking?
No. We cooking! What's up, y'all? It's your girl, and I'm back with another video. Ooh. Okay. Yes. Sorry guys. This is y'all wanna see my outfit? I'm not really wearing nothing, but this is like a little cover up for the pool, but I'm in the house. We cooking steak and potatoes. Come on, kid, for real.
Come on.
Like you can't bend over and stuff. Y'all, that's Meadow in the bag. The steaks. Y'all see my mama tattoo? That's her name, kid.
Come on, man.
Okay. Y'all, she preparing the steaks. That's honey
Just
butter.
getting the moisture out of it.
Get the moisture out. Yes. Ooh, smack it on there. Woo. A little bit of what?
Kosher salt.
Kosher salt. A pinch.
I know, Poo-Poo, you want some.
This other steak for you.
Mm-hmm.
The oven's done. 350 degrees.
So you gotta do that on both sides.
Both sides of the steak, you flip it over, put a little bit of kosher.
Kosher. Ooh.
Whoop, whoop. Now grab the black pepper, I'm guessing.
Yes. Black peppercorn.
Black peppercorn. Ooh, jeez, about to sneeze.
What's that word? Go on with the background.
Flip your steaks over and then black pepper it. Again. Now we are preparing, well, I can't really show you guys this because this is a secret little jam, little honey butter sauce joint. So, yeah. She cooking. Ooh. 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 Ooh.
You okay with it?
Yeah. Y'all see that butter sizzling in there? Yeah. This is about to be bomb. And then don't forget, when y'all make y'all steak, make it tender. Don't nobody want to be eating no rough steak.
Okay. You know, a little something.
Right. There you go. There she go, y'all. Perfectionist. You should have used the other pan.
All three of them can finish. I should have used my cast iron pan. That's what I should have used.
Yes, y'all. Cast iron pans cook the best everything. Especially some fried potatoes. We can have that for breakfast tomorrow.
Right.
Fried potatoes, cast iron. I mean, cast iron fried potatoes. Y'all clean while y'all go, because people like this gotta do that because they don't be knowing what they doing.
No, you don't know what you be doing.
No, you don't know what
I was taught
you.
to clean as you cook.
She was taught because her mother ain't play that. Y'all see them? Yes, y'all. perfection and being cooked right now.
Oh, you can smell.
You can smack. Kids, say it again. You can what? Smell it. The secret sauce going on over there. Y'all, look at how thick them joints is. Where you going?
Come on, I know what I'm doing.
Oh, I think she's draining oil, y'all. But they still not done. I have to cut my potatoes for my mashed potatoes. So let's begin this little process. Wow. My knee. I hit this knee twice today. What that mean? That's bad luck.
Everything is gonna be alright.
If I keep hitting my knee? Okay.
No. My sticky's going to the hook. Sticky's going to the hook.
She about to stick them joints in the oven. Okay, y'all. So I'm only making 3. Well, I'm cutting up 3. Y'all don't mind my edges on that side because I ain't doing them. But I'm cutting up 3 potatoes because I'm the only one eating mashed potatoes, so that should be enough for me. So the way I cut my potatoes, I don't know if y'all can see, is I cut them in half. So this is already a cut in half. Then I cut them in half again, and then I cut them in half again. And always wash your hands before you touch any food. Because that's how things go around and get around. And after we cut up these potatoes, we oh y'all, she just put the steaks in the oven. Did y'all see that? That's how we get them tender. That's a little secret because a lot of people don't know that you can put your steaks in the oven after you exactly after you flip them like they get brown on the outside and you put them in the oven. So after you done cutting, you rinse your potatoes off because potatoes come from the ground. All right, y'all, we about to head back over there. Cut up your potatoes. You should already be having like your water boiling. So I put season your water like that. A little bit of salt. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, that's enough. And another thing, a lot of people wait until their water's at a like actual boil until they put their potatoes in. I don't because I don't listen and I cook how I want. So now our food is basically boiling. And what's the steak doing? It's not baking.
It's cooking.
It's cooking in the oven. So we just waiting.
You can say bake. It's in the oven, but it's not baking.
It's sizzling.
It's getting that final touch.
Final touch to it with that honey butter.
With that honey butter. Yeah, with that honey butter. Yeah. I mean, God.
Yes. Yes. Y'all see that butter? Y'all see that? My stuff's boiling.
Good old steak knife.
Chef. Perfection.
Nice and juicy. Put it on that buttery. Oh my God, it's about to be the butter time.
Yeah. It's hot. Blow. Blow on it. It's hot.
Blow on it. That's a big piece of steak.
Okay. So we splitting the third one, right?
Splitting.
You can't have it.
Excuse me, I'd work. I can have as many steaks in here if I want.
No, what are you doing?
I was gonna cut that little piece off.
Oh, and we tried
yeah,
together.
look at that.
Oh my!
Look at the cut.
Oh my God!
Do you want? I ain't tripping. Come on, man. What I'm working with? That butter does it every time. The butter does it every time. The butter does it.
Y'all saying I had to chew that much? Tender, tender. Y'all, that with these mashed potatoes. Y'all, let me ask y'all a question. Do y'all cook y'all mashed potatoes? Like when you mixing them together, do y'all use cheese or sour cream or both? We splitting that one right there. That's you cutting.
This piece right here. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Look at that, y'all. Perfectionist.
Oh.
All right, so mine is on the right.
No, this is
That's yeah. Like I said, that's mine.
Oh, look at that little piece of fat right there.
I know that's what I wanted. Don't touch my fat.
Well, you can eat that piece right there. I can eat this piece right
Yeah, I said that.
here. Right here.
Leave my fat.
Bye.
See, y'all, so my potatoes are done boiling. So now I'm going to mash them with this and add milk, butter, and cheese. So I don't measure my stuff. I just go as I please. So just a little bit of milk. Because I don't like my, like mashed potatoes to be, what is it called? I like them to be thick. So yeah, that's what I like. So I don't add a lot of milk. Yeah, I'm sorry that the camera is moving. Meadow is over here playing. And some cheese after I just added. That was 3 spoons of butter. Y'all, I don't know why I'm acting like it's a cooking show. Meadow. And I'm just shaking the cheese out. Okay, I think that's enough. And then grab this. But I still, like, while I'm doing this, the the stove is still on low temperature, so it can still, like, be hot. Everything can go well and smoothly. And I told you I'm only making some for me because my mom don't want none. So, but y'all, cheese and y'all mashed potatoes is really good. I don't know if y'all can see it. Can y'all see? And we like the skin on them. Our skin still on our mashed potatoes. So, yeah. potatoes are done. Steak is done. So it's time to eat because your girl is hungry. Y'all, look at the time. 7:03, so it's late and I'm eating very late. You're not supposed to do this, but my mama cooked late. Y'all hear Meadow back there talking in the back? Appetit. But y'all, I added a little bit of nature seasoning to my mashed potatoes. I ain't show y'all, but I like to put mine on the top. So yeah, but that's the end of our video today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share this with everybody you know because your girl is lit. Until next time, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.